It is New Year's Eve. Christmas tree is still up. Tomorrow's New Year's Day. But a lot of people don't know it's also Haitian Independence Day. We're going to make some soup that Haitians make on Haitian Independence Day. We're making a traditional soup that Haitians have been drinking for 200 years. Every family makes it a little different, but the meaning behind the soup remains. It's a pumpkin soup built on freedom and black independence. Carrots, pumpkin. You want to get the green pumpkin that you can cook up. Thyme, potatoes, leeks, and epis. Epis is a mixture of a lot of different things, and every family makes it different. Cabbage, beef cubes. I'm a vegetarian, so I didn't eat mine with any meat. Now we're gonna get to work. Alright, so you take the beef cubes, you put them in the yellow bowl. Your bowl could be any color. Then you're gonna put some vinegar on it. Put a little bit of salt on it. Some people wash their meat. Wash your meat, and then you start the seasoning. Yeah, you want to throw that epis up in there. Epis has a lot of spice. You want to make sure it has spice in it. And then Ginou's gonna tell us about her dried epis, but she won't share it with us.
My own dry epis
ingredients. All right, pour that all over. Yeah, make sure it takes a bath in that.
Oh, you don't eat this.
I can smell it. I can smell it through the screen. All right, let's keep going. All right, so with the pumpkin, you're gonna want to take off the skin. Some people eat the pumpkin with the skin, but you don't want to do that. You keep the skin on the potatoes if you want. And after you skin it, you'll skin everything you need to skin. Then you cut it up into cubes. Now, what we're gonna do with the pumpkin is we're actually gonna puree it. So you'll see why we cut it up, just so it could cook a little easier. Carrots you want to slice. And that's parsley. Parsley you're going to want to have too. Cabbage you want to cut up. Not too big, not too small. Ooh, start that fire up. Yes, we got that meat cooking. And you put a lot of oil on when you're simmering up the meat. And now we're going to get some broth boiling and put the pumpkin in the broth. Let it cook for a while till it's soft. Then we're going to take it from there, put it inside of the food processor. Now you want that broth to taste good, okay? And then you're gonna process it up. You might not have a food processor, use a blender. Blend it up, nice little puree. And then we're gonna take it from that puree to, put it on the side. Put it on the side. Then we're gonna get some cabbage. Let's get that cabbage cooking. Let's get the carrots boiling. We're putting everything in there except for the leeks. Get some parsley in there for the flavor. Season it up if you need to. Get them potatoes in there too. And now we are taking, you see that? We're taking the pumpkin puree, putting it in there, and mixing it up. Now you got it going. Now if you make a meat on the side, this is when you start putting in the meat. Now I made my little vegetarian pot in the back. If you can see back there. And then you're gonna put the leeks in. And the pasta comes last. So you can use penny pasta or spaghetti pasta. We use spaghetti, that's all we had. And we're going, we got a whole bowl of soup. And it was good. I was full for a while. I only put the thyme there to make it look cool, or make it look nice.
Oh my God.
Wow. And that's it.
I did it again.
That's the soup. Ginou's very proud of us.
Every year it's the same thing. I don't know if I'm going to do it.
She should be.
I'll tell you.